Hi guys, welcome to B Codewala. In this video, we are going to make a beautiful login page, but in this, we have to confirm our password. Without the confirming password, you can't submit. See, if I try to submit, it's telling that please fill out this field. Without filling all the input, we can't submit our form. So I am writing the user name. After writing your username, I am writing the password. See, I have written my password 1234, and if I enter and not the same password, if I enter different password like 321, you can see I have written 321. If I try to submit, it will show that password did not match. Please try again. So password did not match because I have written wrong password. So without confirming the password, we can't submit our form. See, it's showing again and again password did not match. So if I enter the same password, see 1234 I have written, in before also I have written 1234. So password is same in both. When I'll go to submit, it will show a pop-up the password match. Welcome to B Codewala. So password is matched now. Without matching the password, without confirming it, you can't submit. So we have to confirm the password. So making a password confirming login page like this, we are going to use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here I have written my basic structure of HTML file. After that, I have linked my JS file. You can see here I have linked my JS. Sorry, here I have written. Sorry, I have linked my CSS file. So after that, in body tag, I have taken a div with class title and written confirm password. So I have taken a form on submit return check password. So I have given a event when I will submit, it will check the password. You can see in my JS file check password in the form tag. So I have written my on submit event. So after that I have taken table tag. In this table tag I have taken tr tag. In tr tag I have taken td username and another td with input type text and size 25, and it is required, means without filling this you can't submit the page. So after that I have taken same password. In td tag I have taken input type password and size 25, and it should require. So after that I have taken a td with confirm password. After that I have taken another td tag and with input tag type password, and it should be size 25. and it should require. Without filling this, you can't submit the form. So after that, I have taken another TD called span 2. Align should right, it should be right. And after that, I have taken input type submit and value submit, style color, background color I have given. You can see here the background color, and the after that I have linked my JS file outside the form tag. You can see my JS file here is my JS file. Now I'll go to the CSS file and show you how I have written my code. So in title, class title, I'll show you the class title. Here you can see the class title. So I'm targeting that first. So font size I have taken 40 pixel, border bottom I have taken 5 pixel solid and a color code. So after that I have taken text shadow, color and a margin bottom 3 rem, and I have taken margin top 3 rem and font weight bold, padding 3 rem left and text align center. After writing all this, I am targeting my table tag, and in table tag I have taken box shadow 5 pixel from horizontal, 5 pixel vertical, 8 pixel blur and black. And after that margin left I have taken 3 rem, and after that I have taken my input tag. So in input tag box shadow I have taken, after that padding I have taken 10 pixel and border radius 20 pixel I have taken this. So after that I will go to the JS file. So in JS file I have given a function check password. Here the function check password I have passed in this. So check password here you can see. So in form tag. So I will take the password 1 form.password.value, and another password 2 should equal to form.password.value. If password 1 not equal to password 2, if password 1 is not equal to password 2, then it will give a pop-up. It will alert that password did not match. Please try again. It will return false. So if password did not match, it will return password did not match. Please try again. Here password 1 is not equal to password 2. It will show this alert message and it will return true, false. It will return false. So if password 1 equal to password 2, here in else, if password 1 is equal to password 2, it will alert password match, welcome to B Codewala. So it will return true. If matches, it will return the alert message with password match, welcome to B Codewala. If did not match, it will return the password did not match, please try again. So this how we make our a login page with a confirming password. So by this you can confirm your password. Without confirming your password you can't submit. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, don't forget to share, and thanks for watching.